We'll soon be sailing between Mexico and Cuba on our way to the island of Jamaica.
Todd, all right.
You're really on camera.
Move in for the medium shot. Where are you guys from?
I'm from Baltimore, Maryland.
Ah,
I'm from Kansas City.
great. Fort Smith, Arkansas.
and he just goes, that's his job, is going back and forth down the Mississippi. Gotta be a boring job. Yep.
Welcome to Jamaica, honey.
Welcome to Jamaica. Yeah, man, yeah, man. Come on over, my lady. Come on over. Come on over. Yeah, man. No, don't say no in Jamaica, you know. Just yes in Jamaica. Oh, mommy, yeah, man. Come right here, madam. Come right here, man. Yeah, man.
About 1 million visitors come to Jamaica each year, and they wind up spending about $6 million. So Linda's eager to do her part.
Oh, yeah.
You're there.
The blue one's pretty too. It's actually more vivid. Little red arrows?
Yeah.
Those are seconds. It's,
Still shots as
these
well?
are stills. You don't have to do stills,
Things
but
like
see, I
this,
do
six-
professional.
6 months.
Thank you.
I will let you know for tenants. And very good.
This is my friend Vince.
Yeah, man, no problem. Welcome to Jamaica.
Side is the right side and the right side is the right side. And if I drive on the right side, that would be suicide. The area that we're in is called the Montego Freeport. And you see the banana?
Wow.
Okay.
Okay, the banana takes 9 months for it to get ready.
Okay.
And when it's ready, you have to cut the whole tree down. You cut the banana from the tree. This one, the coconut. The coconut's on the tree. Yeah, there it is. Now the coconut tree, you can use the leaves to make roofs, the trunk to make tile to walk on. You can break the coconut to get oil for frying, not to mention pina colada. You can get the rice and peas, oil for frying and all that. The coconut is very useful. Now you see those mangoes? And we're getting mango seeds. We're going up a little higher. We're going up a little higher, no problem. it's like bread. If you roast it and fry it, it's like French fry. And if you boil it, it's like potatoes.
Thank you.
You call this here Congo Island. This is your papaya trees. You got papaya trees.
Where, right here?
There's no papaya in there right now, but we find one this somewhere.
To the left. Oh,
Smell that. Tell me what that is.
Oh, that's,
it's not camphor. It's
I can't think of the word.
Thank you, Vince.
I like ginger too.
Yeah, it reminds me of ginger and cloves and everything all together. Oh yeah. Looks like catalpa.